Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 24th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So on the US dollar yen, I still think this is a big WXYXZ pattern. I think this whole thing is playing out all in three waves, which is why I think this is an A. Now, before I say this, just keep in mind that this is higher high, higher high. It could possibly just keep going up. The trend is definitely up, but to me, it looks like it could possibly go down again to finish off a wave D like this, and then make another five-wave structure to the upside. Because if this really is a wave Z, it should play out as three waves. It should be an A, a B, and a C of wave Z. So let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. The move up is definitely looking pretty strong, and that's why I said, I mean, there's a possibility it just goes up and makes new highs and keeps trending. But I got my Fibonacci retracement on here because if it does, bounce off one of these last couple fib levels, make like a double top or a nice engulfing move to the downside, then that would be what would tell me that this is actually going back down for a wave C. Because, like I said, I feel like this should be an A, this should make a wave B, and it potentially should make another five-wave structure to the upside, similar to this first one for a wave C, probably better seen on the 4 hour time frame. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.